friends, I'm Mandy Kultz, independent Norwex consultant, and I'm here to show you some spring cleaning tips for your exterior windows. So we all know, if you're familiar with Norwex, you all know the tried and true EnviroCloth window cloth, wax on, wax off. But sometimes with our exterior windows, there's more dirt on there. So we want to be able to A, do it more quickly, and B, be able to get more coverage. So I'm going to start with our new handheld system. So this is exactly like our EnviroCloth. It's embedded with silver, and it's going to grab everything off, whether it's grease and grime and dirt, or pollution, sticky things that get on your window. And when you're using this, you can either leave it so that it swivels, okay, so you can swivel around, or you can lock it in place right here. There's a little tab that says lock, and when you lock that up, sorry, let me do it this way, then it only goes up and down instead of swiveling, so that you can get more of a squeegee motion with it. And all this is doing is it's pulling all the dirt and grime off. So this is going to replace anything you're using as a spray, and it's really nice because you can get onto the vinyl of the windows as well if you want to, and pull all of that off too. Once you've got your window clean, it's just like the mop system. You pull that off, you add your window cloth mop pad. How cool is it that they made this? And then you get back on there and you get your lint and streak free clean, just like with the window cloth, as quickly as that. So no sprays, no paper towel, and no waste. All right, and there we go. One extra feature about the handheld system is that it has this little hidden piece that has a brush on the end. What this brush is best for, I find, are these tiny little cracks inside where the dust collects. Do you see how it just pushes it forward and starts pulling it out into the bristles? So it's almost like a horsehair brush to get some of that dust out of there, so your vinyl looks perfect. So now for higher up windows, that's where I'm usually pulling out the mop system. So our mop system, it's the exact same idea as these two mop pads with the handheld system. It's just larger. So I'm gonna have a larger window cloth. I'm gonna have a larger wet mop pad, which is gonna clean the window, but I also can extend it so far that I can get this ceiling if I want to. I can get very high windows if I want to. I also can stand outside of my garden and reach windows if I want to. And just like with the handheld system, you can either lock it into place so that it only goes up and down like a squeegee, or you can leave it to swivel so that you can turn it sideways and get onto some of these edges. Because I feel like the vinyl also collects a whole lot of dirt. And if you're like me and you only clean your exterior windows once a year, it's a way to grab all of that quickly and easily, because they might not be as clean as you want them to be. Same idea as before. Pull the wet pad off, put the large window pad onto the base. And this, of course, will also be dual purpose for your floors in your house. Leave the lint and streak free clean on shiny floors as well. And then this kind of dries, but also is giving you that lint and streak free clean that you're looking for, so that it's shiny, shiny, shiny. There will be no residue. There's going to be no rainbows shining through when the sun comes. It's just going to be clear and clean. And one of the greatest benefits of only cleaning with water is that you're going to have less for new dirt and grime to stick to as well. So last but not least, of course, let's talk about the screens. Did you know your dusting mitt, which is also part of the household package, so it comes with the cleaner, shiner, and the duster. If you use this damp, you can clean these guys. No need to pull them out of the frame anymore. You just wipe them, and it pulls all the dust and grime right off into the mitt. So you can't see it. I choose the gray one on purpose, but I also will use this to follow up on the vinyl, etc. Okay, so that one can fly around and be used as well. So that way you have a nice clean window in a matter of seconds. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.